Welcome to a new era of governance, risk, and compliance, where AI meets real-world GRC complexity. Meet an AI-powered GRC consultant, purpose-built for ServiceNow and tailored to industries where compliance isn't optional, it's mission-critical. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how this intelligent assistant simplifies complex GRC processes, helps teams onboard faster, and supports confident audit-ready decisions, all through natural, conversational interaction. Let's talk about the problem we're solving. Across industries like healthcare, finance, and energy, the compliance landscape keeps shifting. Regulations are evolving, breach costs are rising, but most GRC programs are still stuck with manual setups, slow onboarding, misaligned controls, and reactive audit prep. ServiceNow is a powerful platform, but getting it fully configured with map citations, control objectives, and evidence plans can take time and expertise. That's where Faasera comes in. Faasera brings reasoning and context directly into your GRC workflows. It understands regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, the Australian privacy principles, and many more, and then maps them to your policies, controls, and risks inside ServiceNow. It helps privacy officers, risk managers, GRC architects all get to value faster. The result? 60% faster onboarding, 40% reduction in audit prep cost, real-time answers for first-line teams, and it's available 24/7 inside your secure environment with no need for external data sharing. Let's see it in action. First up, let's imagine I'm part of a hospital just starting with ServiceNow GRC. I ask, I'm new to ServiceNow GRC and we're a hospital. Where should I start to align with HIPAA and Australian privacy laws? Faasera quickly identifies the key authority documents, HIPAA safeguards, OAIC guidance, APP 11, and walks me through setting up foundational policies and control objectives. It's not just answering questions, it's giving me a roadmap. Now let's dig into setup. I ask, can you guide me through setting up policies and control objectives in ServiceNow GRC for a healthcare provider? Faasera responds with a step-by-step flow, starting with identifying regulations, then creating policies tied to them, breaking those down into control objectives, and linking them to citations. It even suggests templates and how to organize them in ServiceNow GRC. It's like having a GRC consultant embedded in your system. Still early in the journey? No problem. I ask, we're implementing GRC in ServiceNow for the first time. What should we configure first to manage privacy and clinical risks? Faasera recommends enabling the key modules, policy, risk, and compliance, and aligning them to regulations like APP 11 or HIPAA's security rule. The result? A structured, simplified starting point. And finally, let's talk audit prep. I ask, what evidence should I collect to demonstrate compliance with our breach response controls for clinical systems? Faasera returns exactly what I need: response plans, simulation records, staff training logs, attestation reports. The output is clear, traceable, and aligns with OAIC's notifiable data breach rules, perfect for audit season. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. There are 3 modes of operation depending on how far along you are. Business Ready Mode, pre-trained on regulations and built to plug into your ServiceNow GRC structure. Advanced Mode, integrated with ServiceNow workflows to automate task creation, evidence tracking, and explain decisions with reasoning. Enterprise Enriched Mode, where we layer in your own policies, past audits, and control library, turning Faasera into a fully personalized GRC intelligence engine. And the best part? It's private, deployed in your environment with no external exposure. Whether you're starting your GRC journey or looking to scale smarter, Faasera helps your teams move faster, stay compliant, and reduce audit fatigue. Let's connect and build a custom onboarding path for your industry. Your compliance team just got smarter. Thanks for watching.